Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Romy and today I'm sharing a recipe for golden fruit cake. I made this over the holidays and it really reminded me of the fruit cake I ate growing up, so I wanted to share how I made it. For this recipe, I used a container of fruit cake candied fruit mix. It has cherries, some peels, and other fruits in it that has been candied. I go ahead and rinse that in a strainer before I put it in a bowl and soak it in some apple juice while I get the other ingredients ready. I'm taking some butter that's at room temperature and some brown sugar, and I'm going to cream that. You can use your stand mixer or hand mixer for this. I don't recommend creaming using a whisk, but you can do it. It's just going to take a long time. Then you want to add your eggs one by one. The mixture will look a little separated at this point, but don't worry, once you add the flour mix, it'll all come together. In a separate bowl, go ahead and mix all of the dry ingredients and use whatever spices you prefer. The ones I use will be listed in the recipe, which is linked in the description box. I forgot to add a little bit of vanilla, so I'm doing that here. And then in the bowl that had the egg mixture, I'm going to go ahead and put my dry mix and the fruits right on top of it and get everything mixed together. Now I'm using a spatula to mix this. You want to make sure it's combined well and there aren't any dry flour spots. And then we're going to go ahead and transfer this into our baking pan that I've lined with parchment paper. Highly recommend lining with parchment paper because it just makes it that much easier to take out. Then we're going to go ahead and bake this. And it is a long bake, about an hour, but when it's done it comes out nice and fluffy. It's not a dense cake. You don't need to add like alcohol to it. You can if you want. You can soak it. You can put some simple syrup in it, but it is really good as it is. Everybody absolutely loved this during the holidays. Of course, we had to have it with some cranberry, ginger ale on the side, but in Fiji, of course, you'd have it with pops. If you give this a try, let me know what you think of it, and until next time, please take care. Bye bye.